message is transmitted at the request of the Missaukee County Emergency Management. Due to the high winds and losses of electrical power on Sunday, November 13th, Missaukee County will be opening a temporary shelter in the Lake City Christian Reformed Church at 1657 South Maury Road beginning noon today. Consumers Energy is advising that the majority of the county will have power by 8 p.m. tonight. There will be pockets in the outlying areas that will have no power until noon on November 15th. If you need transportation to the shelter, please contact County Emergency Management and remember to bring your medications. No pets will be accepted at the shelter.
Making full-color photos and scientifically accurate illustrations, plus